no paper plane, Novocaine, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, you take a toast, no Razor cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood, undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, let my prophecy financial gain. You ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way. Spinning on you and your feet, dancing on your brain. Shoppers like Resident Evil, we dressed like blood rain. Like that American Eagle, hoodie got blood stains. Brother whipping up them kilos, I told him fuck the game. Swing block, red pen, kick shit, Johnny K. Some Johnny Day, BC, Lil K. Baby shit, Lil K. Brand new day, brand new K. Ballin' like 2K. I swear I've been betrayed one too many times. Really to count. Yeah. All the nights I prayed, silent how I stayed. No matter how they played it, I stood on mine. Whoa, yeah. There's too many to count. Hey, hey. Times I've been betrayed. What that about?
Hey guys, it's She Someone Special, and I'm just tapping in to let you guys know about my ebooks. Many of you guys know about this and many of you guys don't, but to the ones that do and that has purchased any and all of my ebooks, I just want to say thank you so much. Your support means so much to me. And to the people that don't know, hi mamas, hi bro. Okay, so I have ebooks out that I have worked truly hard on that will show you all different types of things. I even have free ebooks that teach you about all the rookie mistakes that you should avoid making your first year in trucking. I also have the ultimate step-by-step how to become a trucker influencer guide, plus my film setup. I know a lot of you guys be interested in knowing like where I place my camera, what camera I use, how I get these different angles, where do I put the camera, what apps that I use, you know, how do I make my templates. I literally have ebooks that show you and give you my equipment list so you can use everything that I use, everything that I even do step by step is also in this ebook. I'm the first female trucker, the first trucker period, to make an ebook that teaches you how to become a trucker influencer, because I actually make a lot of money making content and I want to show you guys how I do it and teach you guys how I do it as well. I have not seen anybody do nothing like this when it comes to the trucking world, so this is a door that I wanted to open for you guys, because I know my OG truck drivers, to my OGs that's been trucking, you know, 25 years, 30 years, 10 years, 15 years, 7 years, and so on and so forth. Basically anyone who's been trucking longer than I've been living. I want to show you OG mamas that you can make money just by posting content online, especially just vlogging your trucking life. And a lot of you guys are hip to this, but a lot of you guys are not hip to this. Let me teach you how I do it. Premium list that gives you the list of everything that I use, where I place the camera, the apps, everything that you need to know is in the ultimate step-by-step on how to become a trucker influencer guide, plus my film setup. This is the only ebook that you will find like this right now. I'm the first to make it, and I did it just for you guys. I also have ebooks that teaches you everything that you need to get your CDL permit, your CDL license, to go to school for free, with the questions and the answers, with additional load log sheets and tips. So it's so much that I have to offer you guys and can show you guys. And last but not least, the pink truck. A lot of you guys are so curious about my pink truck, guys. Trucking did not buy my truck, to be completely honest with you. Trucking itself did not buy my truck. What bought my truck is my content, and that's just down to photography and videography, all the way up to, you know, trucking and all the other things that I'm into. You know, that's what bought my pink truck. And I know a lot of you guys want to know also step by step on how to start a box truck business, you know, without doing unnecessary spending and doing months worth of research. I also have the information out as well. Coming from someone who is very frugal with money, you know what I mean, because I'm very big on saving money. You know, when it comes to each and every last one of my ebooks, I'm going to teach you and show you what I know. I'm going to give you what I know. And I just feel like if you aren't willing to spend and invest 20 into yourself, 50 into yourself, 100 into yourself, that means that you're not willing to even invest into your dreams and the things that you want to do. If you're watching someone or inspired by someone who is doing exactly what you want to do, figure out what that person is doing, figure out how it works for them, figure out why it's working. And if a person is selling an ebook and they're telling you their sauce, get their sauce and turn it into your own sauce.
You've been doing that playing games. We wanna give you all, but flexing funny old friends. How that works, better just doing the most. We take a picture, then post it. How that works, let you talking back that shit up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You think I'm shady, boy, you can go that playing games, playing games.
So while I have a second to, I just want to first and foremost say thank you to everyone and all of my supporters that has bought my ebooks. We made over 25 sales on one ebook, 15 sales on the other one, and over 10 sales on some other ones. And I'm gonna tell you, I haven't even been promoting my ebooks hard. I haven't even really been talking about my ebooks other than on TikTok. So I'm gonna just say this, and I'm gonna leave it at this. Don't be afraid to create things and put it out there. And instead of putting your focus on the small amounts of people that don't support you, put your focus on all of the people that do support you. And I've been receiving support from people I have never met a day in my life. And man, most of all, my clients have been supporting me since I was a child. I used to post content just for fun and just for memories, and it just came with, making money online. So that lets you know that you may not be getting the support that you want or need right now, but that does not mean that the rest of the world isn't somewhere waiting to support you. And one thing about it, people cannot buy something that they don't know about, and people cannot support something that they don't know how it's going to benefit them. If you place yourself out there and allow for people to be the judge of whether or not they want to support you or not, that at least opens you up for support. But if you are somewhere hiding yourself like I used to do years ago, I used to never want to post myself. I never wanted to show my face. I was a perfectionist. And you know what? That has held me back a lot. And even though I make these videos with ease, it does not mean that every day I'm not facing my fear. Before I became a truck driver, I faced my fear of being a truck driver. Before I, got out of being a perfectionist and wanting everything to be perfect, I had to open myself up for imperfections and flaws. I had to open myself up for imperfections and flaws because I am human. And not just that, but it took me 9 to 10 years, even now still ongoingly, with me still doing photography and videography, is the illusion of perfection, you know what I mean? And letting go of trying to be perfect and just valuing and holding on and embracing the fact that I'm human.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117
This is why I say you'll always need a trucker. Because if it wasn't for my trucker on my left and my right side, I wouldn't have been able to clear traffic this smoothly. And as you guys could see, one trucker stopped traffic for me to go, and the other trucker led me to pull out.
It is.
I came out here from
Paper plane, Novocaine.